Africa benefit from a BRICS partnership? That is the question. It is something that has been coming on for a while, and we see a lot of changes in the political landscape of the world, and BRICS is at the center of it. Before I continue, please like this, please go to my channel, subscribe. I'm a new channel. I'm less than 2 weeks old, and I am hitting hard with opposite views that what you will get on your mainstream social media and on the mainstream media. Not for the sake of being different, but for the sake of critical thinking. I want you to get views from all sides. Now, does Africa benefit from BRICS currently? And will most of Africa, the rest of Africa, benefit towards a or from a BRICS partnership? What do you think? Now, just to go back, what is BRICS? BRICS is the new economical partnership that was formed from 2010, I think, between, take note, BRICS is an acronym, so between Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. Now, those are the founding members of BRICS, and they are basically an alternative to your Western economic powers. I think, but I'm not actually sure. For now, we have BRICS on our side, but the Western powers, what are they? I can't say they're called the G20. Is it the G20? I'm not sure. But BRICS is the alternative. Now, will the rest of Africa, especially the more developing parts of Africa, benefit from the BRICS partnership? My answer is yes. If they were not part of any Western partnerships to date where they benefited greatly from, I would say yes. And my main reason is due to the fact that the world economic order or the new world order is leaning in the direction of BRICS nations, and it will be a brilliant time for an economic shift for African countries in the opposite direction from what they have experienced in the past. That is my main reason. What do you think? Please like, subscribe, as I said. I appreciate your input. Bye-bye.